Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, today injected some $30 million into the foreign exchange market. A total of 45 bids valued at $76.85 million were submitted by authorized foreign exchange dealers and cambios, but the central bank accepted only 18 bids amounting to $30 million offered at an average exchange rate of $159.89 to $1. Today's action follows last week's $60 million intervention, both aimed at stabilizing the local currency amid continued market volatility. This latest move brings the total number of interventions so far this year to 24, amounting to $650 million, even as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has cautioned the BOJ about frequent market interventions. And trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.98. The pound is going for $216.49, while the euro is selling for an average $187.31. And Innovative Energy Group, formerly known as Siboney Group Limited, has reported a net profit of $82.2 million for the 7-month period which ended May 31, marking a strong turnaround following its rebranding and expansion into the renewable energy sector. The company recorded revenues of $321.2 million, reflecting increased activity in its energy solutions and related service segments. After accounting for direct costs of $112.7 million, gross profit stood at $208.5 million. Innovative Energy also recorded total comprehensive income of $83.4 million, boosted by realized gains of $1.2 million from investments carried at fair value through other comprehensive income. The results represent the first financial statement under the company's new identity and reflect its strategic pivot towards renewable and sustainable energy projects as part of a broader effort to align with Jamaica's national energy diversification goals. The JSE index declined by 51 points, while the junior market index advanced by 9 points. The winners were led by Cargo Handlers, JFP, Pulse Investments, JPS 7% preference shares, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. The losers include Margaritaville Turks, ISP Finance Services, Margaritaville Turks, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, and Paramount Trading. 48 stocks advanced, 45 declined, and 21 traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.